morning. It's like 1 a.m. No, it's like nearly 2 a.m. I've just been playing Minecraft. I've had a very busy day. I was gonna have a lazy day, but I didn't do that. I went to the charity shop, picked up a couple bargains. Ooh. Thought I'd give myself a little treat for surviving this long. I bought this jumper. This is from my dress. Look how cute this jumper is. It was like £3 and I love it. It's really, really cute. I also got this pillow for £3. Like, this was £3. Yes, please. And because we have not a real sofa, we have like a makeshift sofa, this is perfect. Because it's so big, it makes the back of our sofa a lot more comfortable. I've been decorating like mad for Halloween, putting batteries in fairy lights and hanging up other fairy lights in pretty places. I opened those fairy lights that I got in my P.O. box. I thought they were just gonna be like normal lights, but they're not. They were like covered, they're leafy, and I cry. They're so beautiful. And I redid my altar, and I hoovered, and I did a bit of a tidy, made the sofa look all nice. I've been going crazy. But I also decided to build my inner world as it's new and updated in Minecraft. And it's not finished. I haven't done the boathouse or the lake, but I finished the house. I rebuilt it all because we were using a texture pack in the other one and it was annoying, so we've rebuilt it all. And yeah, made the pool, which took forever, so I thought I would show you because it really, really gives the scale when it's built in Minecraft. Oh, I'm gone. And I'm back. So I thought I'd show you. So let's go, let's do this. Okay, so it's very dark and you can definitely see all of my snacks on my table and a giant Tsum Tsum. But we are stepping into the dark room. This is the octagon glass room. Obviously it's still there, but I remade it with glass panels, and the black literally, as you can see, just absorbs the light. It makes it look so dark in here. The reflection is so bad, I might actually turn the light off for this. Oh! Wow, spooky. Okay, we're getting spooky. Okay, so there's the octagon room, my best attempt. And then here's the stairs. It obviously looks a bit different because it's done with proper wood instead of the orangey, pinky, browny wood that I used before. And then we have the sofa. I haven't put Jack in, but Jack's here. And then obviously we have the corridors with all the rooms. We've seen all of this sort of stuff, but I guess it all looks a bit different. So let's go upstairs. And we have the white carpet with Alice's room here. So the updates, this isn't finished in here, but this is kind of what it looks like in, it's white in here. In, oh my god, the tree, what are you doing? Okay, so this is what it looks like in A. There are these pillars and these cubicles. And I'm not sure what's over this end. I can only ever see it from like this perspective. So I'm really not sure as to what's that end, but I'm sure I'll figure it out eventually. So yeah, now we know what's down B as well. So there's the long corridor that I drew. And if we go to the end of the corridor, big window going outside. And then there's this here, a door here, big windows along here. And then this is a big hall. It's really empty. It has like a built-in stage at the end here. But it's really not, it's really empty. There's nothing in here. It's barely used for anything. It'd be the sort of place where you'd put all of the tables for like a big event. Yeah, really strange. But yeah, there's that. Then if we go upstairs, we go up into the attic. And I haven't filled the attic yet either. But it does look super cool. Hang on, let's have a look, see if I can, where? Did I get past it? Minecraft Live, Minecraft with Bo. Watch how terrible I am at navigating. I'm trying to find a bed. Oh, there, okay. Oh no, okay, so bed. And then chest, barrels, boxes. Nice. Oh no, I can't see. Oh dear, I'm not gonna do this right now. Actually, hang on. Wow, magic. That's some cinema magic right there. Boom. So I just added some stuff. Yeah. Oh, wait. Hang on. Okay, I'm back now. I know I don't cut, but like it's boring watching me place a bunch of chess. Yeah. So hello. I've placed a bunch of boxes and chests, and then I have a bed up here. It looks really blue on camera, but that's grey. Yeah. And then there's the pillars. Boxes and chests, and then there's the window, pretty window. So if you go outside, I really like this window frame. I think it looks really nice. There's this plank of wood just precariously hanging over this chasm of trees and bushes, and it's not going to be fun if you fall off into there. So if you go across the chocolate bar wood plank, and then up here is the pool, and it is massive, and it took me forever. I'm gonna fly so that you can see. The house is a weird shape, please ignore, but there you can see how big it is in comparison to the house. Like, damn. That's my best attempt at putting like black crap and sludge at the bottom, to show that it's not like a black pool, like base of the pool. It is crap at the bottom of the pool. And then there are these two wood planks. Ah, I fell in! No, I missed. No. Oh, I'm dead. Where you can try not do what I just did, and people try and walk across this. In Minecraft, it's quite successful. In the inner world, it's quite dangerous. Because you fall in, you're dead. Ah! And it is gross down here. Oh god, why are you blowing out my screen for? So yeah, this is what I've just spent the past 4 hours doing. Building this house and pool, and it took a long time. But you can see the scale of it, and yeah. And then the boathouse, the lake house, is gonna go down that hill. So I kind of tried to make a little path coming through. And then the boathouse will be over there in the middle, and then the lake will kind of be where that little hill is, I guess, that little slight bump. So yeah, then my inner world is massive now, and it's kind of scary. Especially that death thing. So yeah. So yeah, that was my inner world in Minecraft. That's what I just spent most of today doing. Regrets life choices. I'm very tired now, and I'm gonna go to bed. But I hope you enjoyed looking at the Minecraft version of my inner world so far. I will update you once I've updated it. And yeah. Bye.